¿Qué onda, Spanish students? Welcome to our Pura Buena Onda YouTube channel. My name is Paola, and today let's talk about the pronouns el que, la que, el cual, la cual. The relative pronouns el que, la que, and their plurals los que and las que, and el cual, la cual, and their plurals los cuales and las cuales are used when there is a preposition needed with the relative pronoun que. If you want to learn how to use the relative pronoun que, click on the link on the description box. The difference between these two is that el cual, la cual, los cuales y las cuales is used more in formal situations. For example, el libro sobre el cual hemos hablado. The book that we've talked about. Or, esta es la mochila con la que viajé. This is the backpack that I traveled with. Did you notice that in Spanish the preposition is used right before the relative pronoun, while in English it is used right at the end of the sentence? Also note that the forms of these relative pronouns used agree in gender and number with the noun that they substitute in the phrase. Thanks for watching! Remember to follow us on our other social media on Instagram and Facebook so you don't miss any of our content. ¡Hasta luego!